Okay, everybody, I've got some interesting news for you, something exciting. This Friday, the 16th of November, Gumby Jean and her fiance Ben are going to get married live on YouTube. Believe it or not, they've asked me to be the officiator, so I will be conducting the ceremony, and we're going to broadcast it live for all of the Gumby Jean fans that want to see her get married, and for her family. And we're hoping we're going to have a gonzo and a gonzo baby there for the event. So we're planning about 6:30, somewhere around in there. So join us. It's going to be a great time.
Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
This is Gumby. Say hi, Gumby.
Hello.
Okay, what do you do here?
I am an MA and I work in the lab.
Okay, so you're a medical assistant.
I'm a medical assistant.
And you've helped us with some labs, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All the time.
Yeah, I mean, not labs, I'm sorry. You helped us with some videos.
Yes, I've been the recorder.
It's kind of fun, isn't it?
It's awesome.
Yeah. How long have you worked here?
I worked here a year and like 6 months.
Yeah. And how much do you love me?
I love you, Dr.
I love
Gilmore.
you,
This much.
All right. Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.